Hello, my name is Rosana Escobar. I am originally from Bogota, Colombia, and I would like to explain you a little bit about my project called Unravelling the Coffee Bag. I started this project in situ in the context where the plant behind the coffee bag grows. I wanted to understand its ecosystem, its local culture, material culture, and its local relevance and tradition. So I started by being there with the people, exploring how this plant grows. It grows from 0 to 3,000 meters, which is really reflects the diversity of the landscape of Colombia. The process of the plant is a relationship between the people that work with it and the plant, which lasts around 70 to 80 years, which is something built through the lifetime of a human. When I was there, I was also able to research, investigate the whole process of the fiber. For me, it was important to understand the making of this product, but what is behind that, what are the hands behind it, but also all the processes and missed opportunities in the production line of the coffee bag. After that research in the context, I traveled to the Netherlands, and that gave me also an opportunity to look at it from an international and a global perspective. It was very important for me to go local and also understand the local ecosystem, but also the global market. In this context, I was able to collect coffee bags from all kinds of coffee roasteries, and I started the process of unraveling the bag and twisting the yarns and really being able to trace the material back to its raw form. In all these different stages, I found opportunities. Opportunities where the waste is produced and discarded. And these fibers for me were really interesting to explore furtherly and see its potential use and applications in design. When the leaf fibers are extracted, it really becomes and looks, it has this kind of appearance of hair. And I wanted to use that, and also when the plant ages, it has this kind of darker shades. Normally this color is never used for the making of coffee bags. The global markets cut out everything that doesn't fit with the standard. That is of course a waste product for the farmers. So I wanted to explore that and see it as a quality in design, that we can also use this identity of the plant and to integrate that into the design. I also thought about the way that the farmers have usually packed this material, and I thought that this was a beautiful technique, and I wanted to live that technique and look at it as a craft. So I went again to Colombia, which I have been spending some time now producing a new product with the farmer. It was also important for me to work in situ again and to produce a product there in the context where there could be an exchange with the farmer. With the combing of the hair, there's a material that is produced, and it also becomes a byproduct of the process. With the combing, it produced this kind of fluff, which is a tangled material that I thought it would be interesting to use it in the way of felting. This industry has a huge infrastructure, it's a huge industry that completely relies on another industry. It relies on the industry of coffee. And this makes this material very vulnerable. We need to revalue the fiber and to have its own market in order for it to be worth for the farmers and the producers to continue with this material. I wanted to give a voice to this material, to produce new products that could give new narratives and could make us connect with the fiber differently than only as a coffee bag. Since we're all consumers, and a lot of us coffee consumers, we want to know what lies behind a product, and we want the global market to support local ecosystems.